We started by taking out a stack of ingredients. Place it in the middle of the belt. The top material of this can be moved back a bit, allowing him to hold up material. Loosening up the hand screws, adjusting the height of parts, adjustable slope of the material. After the material has been rotated, bringing the baffle edge on both sides closer to the material. The adjustment method is: turn this hand screw and the two hand screws at the rear. Loosen. This retaining edge can be moved. If it will be hindered by the press strip, then we can loosen this hand screw. Push the press strips forward. Readjustment. Materials are placed in the top of this stopper. After leaning in like this, it's the same here. Finish adjusting the baffle on both sides. Tighten the screws. Bring the crimp closer to this side. Downward pressure locking. It's the same here. Leaning upwards, pressing down to lock in place. Let's try the hair material. See if there are any problems. Start the machine. Adjusting the right speed. See if the material runs smoothly. Now you can see that the material is not running smoothly. Stop the belt first. Adjust this green belt. Turn this hand screw. Counterclockwise rotation. Belt will rise slightly. The material can then be moved a little further in. This press wheel also pressed against the green belt. Tell him not to press too hard. Too tightly pressed, material cannot be run through. There is also the case of two retaining edges adjusted too tightly. He clips the material. Two retaining edges to be properly adjusted. Too wide. Material tends to be skewed. Too narrow for material to run through. Can be used at a faster pace. Run the material again and see if there are any problems. Starter belt. Adjusting for a faster speed. Place the material in. When placing the first stack of materials, we have organized the material into state with slope. We then put it into. See if it's up and running. Send material. Once the hair material is in order, turn the knob to the right. Let the nozzle drop to the bottom. The height at which it descends is this piece of iron. Detrigger the electric eye. It then stops. After dropping to the lowest point, to observe this nozzle, proper spacing from the belt. Adjusted to the material, of course. If it is felt that it is too low, it is possible to place this piece of iron. Here are two socket head cap screws. After loosening, adjust upwards a little. The nozzle stops a little higher. If you find it troublesome, we can gently turn the knob a little. Stop immediately. It will rise a little. This is a general method of adjustment. Only approximate height adjustment. This adjustment, more refined, more precision. The print will also look better. Up and down movement of the nozzle. Loosen this hand screw first. Loosen this hand screw. Move up or move down. After adjustment, 6 on. We start by running the belt. Stop the material at the position it has just been run. Receiving shoot here. 3 retaining edges. Adjust to approximate position. Clamps on both sides. Adjustment to trapezoid. Adjustment with materials for comparison. It will probably land here. First general adjustment. After adjustment, try again. See if it can land accurately. Running the belt again. Put in the ingredients.